everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at a new project called ATF on Web3 airdrop mining. Now, what is ATF? ATF is AI trading forex telegram farming referral to mine or claim ATF tokens via the project. As it is, you can see how many I have accumulated so far. I started. And if you want to claim, look at what you do. When you get to this stage, you see claim on downside. Did you hear that? I've claimed that point already. And you can do it the way they normally do not coin. If you could remember, they do tap on not coin. You see something that will be popping out from there. To help you to speed it up. That's how it works. I getting my point now. Now, that's how you can mine. But before you start mining, maybe you have never registered yet. This is your first time of registration. What we will do is that you must have token keeper because this is a blockchain. Their token, their native token is on that blockchain. You must go and download token keeper so it can be easy for you to connect and start earlier farming it. Now, I'm going to take it step by step before saying other things that needed to do on this video. I'm going to disconnect my own token keeper and start it afresh so that you see the process. I follow the whole thing, the step by step, how you can do it easily to connect. Let's go. Click here as you see my wallet. Disconnect. As you see now, I cannot be able to farm it again. I've disconnected it already. Now for me to continue, if you click start, it will not work. Say connect wallet. You must have a token keeper. That token keeper, download it from Play Store or App Store. Those people that are using iPhone, Android, go to Play Store, you can download it. It's very simple. Now, come to connect wallet, click there. I've already downloaded mine. It's already on my device. I select the first one, token keeper. See, take me to my device. It's connecting. It's connecting. Yeah, successful connected. Now, let me start farming the airdrop now. Click here, start. They give me question to answer, to provide the answer for this question. 15 plus 17 is what? That is 22. Enter 22. Mining started. That's how this thing operates. It's very simple. Claim it. I seen it. Very simple. It's very simple. Now you can touch it. You see something that will pump out like the way no matter not coin. It can help you to boost your mining rate. You see it. You can speed it. That is the help of this thing you are doing to speed that counting so that you can get more points faster. That is what you will do. Now, let me show you where you can go and do all that tasks to get more points. Go to tax. They say that YouTube link, you should like and comment on their short on YouTube. What we do to get a 380 ATF, click here. Carry me to YouTube. See it is. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe as well on your YouTube channel. Then go to here, the short. They say you should like. Go into them. I'll like. drop a comment. I will say nice project. So I did now. I've commented already. Let me go back. Let me go back to our initial something. Let me go back. Yes, let me go back. Now it's processing. Now I can claim it. It's how you can do this the task. It's very simple. Let me claim it. That's how I can do this one. But I don't have much of time. After this video, I can do it until I complete all my tasks. That's how that task session worked. Okay, make sure that you do the needful before you turn back to the initial page to claim your point. Then go to friend. Here, this is where you can make referrals. Copy a link to invite some people, maybe your family members who that is interested to mine. That's how you can do it. It is very simple. That's how you can do it. Then each referral that you invited over, you're eligible to win, to get 100 ATF. Are you not seeing it here? You see it? Now this one is the one we are earning from the network. That page that I tapped, that is why it's already mining. And I've already started mining there. Now here, pay attention on this place. Now they will say that you should verify your account. They say you should verify your account so you can be able to make withdrawal from this. Simply what you do is that click, this is the user ID. Now click verify, account verification. This is the thing that required for you to get your account verified. Now, number one say that on a sheet of paper, write your Telegram ID and TG ID. That is the Telegram ID. Copy it. Secondly, sign the paper and add today's date. You must take a piece of paper and sign on it as well. Today's date and your signature must be there. Thirdly, write ATF, AI Trading Forest, in abbreviation form, capital letter, in bold enough on that paper so that somebody can see it. Look at the camera and say it out louder in English. Hold that paper, place it in front of your dish and use your front of your camera and say, I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. After that, make sure that in that your paper, the end part of it, you sign your signature. That's where your signature is going to be, the end of it. Imagine, maybe you're signing a deal. Signature must be the bottom of the letter, like, or the closure, maybe the close of the deal. You must sign the signature on the end. That's how it works. You bring it down and snap it. When you snap it, now you do a video separate where you're holding it and shouting, I'm not a robot. Then you save those documents. Now come here, send document. You click here, send document. Now when you click here, you're about to send your own. That's how it works. This is how I did my own, but I've never went through. But I'll still redo it. Okay, that is very simple. Let's return back to initial page. If you that is looking how to copy here, this, look at it here. They are showing it. Are you seeing it? You must include your what? TGID, Telegram ID, for that username. That's how you can do it. You that is looking for meaning of ATF, look at it. AI Trading Forest. That is your official handle. Outlook.com. That is it. Please, if you find this video helpful, do a favor and subscribe and turn your notification bell on, and also comment if you have any other question to ask concerning this. I'm here to help you. Thanks so much for watching. Please, one more time, don't forget to subscribe. See you for my next video. Bye.